G'day guys, welcome back to AllBrand Caravan Centre. Today what we're doing is we're going to be replacing a hot water system. Now the customer came to us and he wanted to replace his Suburban hot water system with a Swift hot water system. So what I've just currently done is I've just ripped out the Suburban hot water system and then I've just done a few measurements up because the Swift hot water system is slightly different measurements. So in relation to that, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to cut maybe 10 mil out of this hole here so that we can fit this new Swift hot water system. So if you guys have any comments in relation to hot water systems, just leave them in the comments below or just give us a call. Thanks.